Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Acus M1 and pretty much my first impressions of it. So this thing literally just arrived, and I was, really excited to open it up for all of you and show you what's inside the box so you can check it out and have a little preview of it. I know that a couple of reviewers have already had this machine in their hands. I was lucky enough to have Acus send me the machine to the United States and have me do this for them and actually test the machine out. And man, I got to tattoo with this, and I must say that, and I know that, like I've said this quite a bit in quite a few of my other reviews, but it's like, you get excited when you get a new machine with new technology in it, and it's something that you've never actually used before, and when you try it out, it seems to be amazing, and you don't really end up giving it enough time, but you still end up doing the review and telling everyone that it's like the most amazing machine ever. And I can definitely say that there have been quite a few machines that I have reviewed that have been absolutely amazing, and I would probably still say that about them because I do still get to use those machines, and I still have them. But this is just completely something else. It's like you literally can take the entire machine apart and ultrasonically clean and autoclave the entire body of it in a pen style machine, which nothing else exists like it on the market at all. And here you can see, the way that their packaging is, and it's just, it's awesome. It's a very impressive way to present a machine, and it's very cleanly done, very well manufactured as well. Like, you get a battery charger. It's pretty much the same charger that's supplied with, quite a few other wireless machines on the market. The grip there is very, very smooth. And as you can see, there's no real ergonomic shape to the grip. There's no like cutouts in the grip or anything, because Acus felt that they really didn't need to do that with this machine, because everyone really wraps their machines with cohesive wrap, and at the end of the day, what's the point? What's the point of making fancy looking grips if they get covered regardless when you're tattooing? It's not like you're going to be using your machine without covering it during your session. So, the guys over at Acus, they are some real brilliant engineers that used to work for Cheyenne and decided to leave Cheyenne and start their own company. They're the ones that designed the Hawk Pen, the Solnova Unlimited, and I'm pretty sure they also designed the newest Cheyenne Unio pen, which has the adjustable stroke in it, which honestly to me is like a step backward for the company. It's not wireless. It's a bit longer than the original Hawk pen, and it looks ridiculous when you put a battery pack on it. It kind of ends up being a lightsaber. Yeah, so this is actually my first time opening it up, and right here I'm like, wait, do I have to unscrew that? And I'm like thinking, oh boy, what is going on? Why won't it unscrew? Then I realized that it doesn't screw on, and it just pops off. So, well, this is, this is kind of my first experience with it here, as you guys can see, and I'm kind of trying to figure out how do I put this back together correctly. I didn't even look at the instructions or anything. I kind of watched Oliver Airy. I don't know how you pronounce his last name exactly. Definitely awesome dude. He's on the Acus Pro team now, which is awesome. I'm glad that he finally found a machine that is just as good as the Bishop Wand series machines, which I can tell you, I have all of them. I have the Bishop Shader, the Bishop Packer, the Bishop Liner, and this machine blew me away the first time that I got to use it. So yeah, here when you turn it on, you get that little hello, and you just tap that button right there, and the machine turns on, and then you have the ability to adjust your hertz. Now this machine does run in hertz and not voltage, so that's something to be aware of, but it's a very, very quick learning curve. And here you can see it's pretty simple to change your options within how you want the machine to run. +2 being the strongest hit, and then going all the way down to -3 to the softest hit. What I can say is, after using this machine, that the modes within it are like perfection. Absolutely. Like, they run exactly how they should run. This is an absolutely amazing machine. It's a phenomenal piece of equipment that every well-rounded artist should have within their machine arsenal. And I can guarantee you guys, and like, I'm not even saying this because, I haven't spent months with this machine. To be honest, I don't have to. It's like, it did what it was supposed to do on the first tattoo that I did, and I tried everything. I tried all the different strokes. I tried all the different settings, and it did absolutely everything that I thought it was going to do. It's like having a Bishop power wand with the shader, the liner, and the packer all completely in one, and a Solnova Unlimited and Injecta Flight X1 on crack in one machine. It's like absolutely phenomenally amazing. This thing just completely freaking blew my mind. Regarding to the Numa 4, if everyone is going to ask, like, yo, it doesn't, I mean, there's maybe a slight comparison because the Numa 4 is a pretty awesome machine. Been one of my favorite machines for a while, but this thing just blows everything out the frame. And I will have a full-blown review coming up on it as well. And you guys definitely stay tuned to it. Now, as you can also see, it comes with a 3mm stroke cam, a 3.7mm stroke cam, and a 4.5mm stroke cam, which is pretty much everything that you need with a machine. And they are so easy to swap in and out. One more thing, I tested a bunch of different batteries with this. I tested the Cheyenne batteries, I tested the Injecta batteries, and the batteries that do come with this machine, and all of them completely work with it. Very versatile. I gotta say, guys, this is probably one of the most amazing tattoo machines I have had in a while, and it's absolutely phenomenal. I very, very highly recommend it. Go check it out. Acus M1.